Hey everybody, hope everything's going well for you this week. Thanks for your patience with just one of us being available to come observe you this week. I'm in Grand Rapids, Michigan at a conference for Christian educators and having a lot of fun. I'm in a hotel room with some funny decor on the wall, as you can see. So this is what you need to know. Today you're going to have the privilege to visit with Micah Murdoch. Brother Chandler, me, has a lot of different technology tools for you to play around with. And the truth is, it doesn't make any sense to really start delving into technology tools unless we come to a comfortable consensus about what is good, better, and best use of those. And for that purpose, we've invited in Micah Murdoch. Now, your assessment piece for this is to take notes, good notes. And by notes, good notes, we mean this. We'd like you to experiment a little bit with sketch notes, which are partially verbal and also visual. So the idea is you'd put his main topic here in the middle, main points or subpoints around there, and then illustrate those in a way that's meaningful for you. So as you listen to the lecture today, please do your very best to take visual notes, or what some people call sketch notes. Snap a picture of that and send that to myself and to the TA, please. And you can title that, make sure you get your last name, the section number on it, and you can title it Guest Technology Speaker. So again, wish I was with you guys. Please do your very best to gain and glean today. Mike is a wonderful individual and knows a lot about effective use of instructional technology. And with that, I'll see you soon.